Welcome back to my channel, and I have a very special guest with me, and it's my boyfriend right here. Say hi. He's very shy. Talagang kinonvince ko talaga siya na gawin tong challenge na to kasi matagal ko nang gustong gawin niya. So this would be a boyfriend does my makeup challenge, and he's going to do my makeup today, and hindi ko siya andito sa harap yung mga makeup. I'm not going to instruct him about anything sa makeup, kaya sariling lang niya. Bahala na siya kung anong gagawin niya sa mukha ko. Ayun, so good luck. As you can see, wala akong makeup, kaya siya lahat ng gagawa para makita niyo from base up to the finishing part. Kaya, okay, let's start.
So, basically, naririnig ko foundation. So, ang daming foundation. Hindi ko alam kung powder or liquid. Sa pagpili pa lang mahirap na. Hindi ko alam kung anong gagamitin.
He chose Kat Von.
So, nakikita ko malaking ginagamit kaya ito na lang.
Okay.
I have no idea what I'm doing. Foundation. Kung alam kung applicable ba yung Tizo.
Tizo. So, ano ang balak mong gawin na makeup?
So, accidentally, I attended Bobby Carlos seminar. So, gagayin ko yung ginawa niya, yung pageant makeup.
Pageant. Kasi
madaling gawin. And, fast pace. Yun yung gusto ko. Mabilisan.
Mabilisan.
Narinig ko yung term na contour, so natin ko yung parang pang-contour.
Contour.
Pag-contour, alam ko, dark.
Contour.
Then,
what's next?
Eyeshadow.
Saan mo?
Nakalagay brow eh.
Ikaw bahala.
So brow, malapit sa eye.
Anong tawag dyan?
Palette. Pag palette, eyeshadow.
Oh, sige. Okay.
Based on my knowledge. Alam ko maliit yung ginagamit na tip. Ito yun. So dahil modern times na tayo ngayon, gamitin natin dark color.
Ayusin mo! Kaya mo yan.
Sige, mali yan. Sige.
Kaya mo yan.
Kaya ko yan. Pangit.
Para ako binugbog.
Ulitin na lang natin. Pangit.
Ano na?
Sigurado ko ba?
Ikaw bahala. Gumaganda na ba ako?
Ayusin natin. Baby, biro, dipindi.
Anong dipindi?
Ngipin. Wala kang lashes.
Oo nga ba? Ow! Ow! Masakit.
Hindi ko mahuli yung lashes eh. Bagong piling Max Factor. Tapos, last na lang, lips.
Wala ka na nakalimutan.
Ano?
Sigurado ka.
Ano ba mga gusto mo?
Ikaw, kung wala na. Hindi na ka nakalimutan.
Lagyan natin ng big red nose.
Contour?
Oo.
Sige, bahala ka.
Ilong ni Michael Jackson. Ayusin natin yun.
May kulang.
Oo nga pala. Yan din. Yan kasi hindi tinuro sa atin nung seminar. Eh.
Oo, nagmamadali siya.
Buti na lang may foundation para mapagtakpan yung mga pagkakamali ko.
Hugot!
That's it.
Wow, timang.
Lagay naman sa hair mo.
Okay na yan? Tama na yan? So this would be his masterpiece. Are you happy?
Yes, of course.
Mahirap ba mag-makeup?
Madali lang. Basta may concealer tsaka foundation, pwede mo mapagtakpan yung mga pagkakamali mo.
So sa buhay, kailangan mo ng concealer at foundation para mapagtakpan mo yung mga pagkakamali mo sa buhay. So very challenging pa maging makeup artist.
Yes. Depende sa makeupan.
Ano natutunan mo ngayon?
Presence of mind.
Ayun.
Kailangan maparaan.
Ito siya, ito yung makeup. Diba? Kumukontour ng black yung ino ko.
Linisin natin.
Linisin natin. Grabe, minurder niya yung Kat Von D ko. Okay na. And that's it, you guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you enjoyed this video with my boyfriend. And yeah, as much as we enjoyed this making this video, I hope that we entertained you. And if you have any more requests, please comment down below. And don't forget to follow me on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and Blogspot. And I also have a Snapchat, but I'm not that active with it. So yeah, a big shout out to Miss Zion Dizon Villanueva for sending me this amazing mandala tapestry here as my background. She sent this to me for free, and you guys should check out her shop as well. It's on Instagram. It's called The Pink Penguin. Is it? The Pink Penguin .ph. So I'll be putting that over here. Over here. Check it out. It's amazing. She sells a lot of amazing products there. And yeah, thank you so much, sis. And that's it. Thank you so much, guys, for watching. Bye!